It's raining. Oh my god. I haven't tried to do a video in the rain before, so this is interesting. I wanted to say that even though it's raining and a little gloomy outside, that is no reason not to feel like you can't get something done. You know what's great about the rain? It gives me a great excuse to say, you know what, I'm going to be in my office all day because I've got stuff to write and I don't feel guilty because it's a sunny day and I could be outside doing something, you know, chore-ish that needs to be done. So instead I'm outside, well, doing something chore-ish that needs to be done because I have to let the chickens out because they don't like to stay inside even when it's raining. And those poor ducks definitely don't want to stay inside. So, going to let them out. Anyway, it's my morning motivation for you. And have a great day. I hope it's not raining where you are. Connie Clark, romance author. Have a good day.